Two European gang members have been arrested in Quwain for stealing a safe with dirham 450,000 worth of valuable from a villa in Emirates. According to the Criminal Investigation Department of Quwain Police, the gang carried out the theft while the homeowners were away. The safe contained dirham 150,000 in cash, gold jewelry worth dirham 300,000 and some official documents. The Emirati homeowners filed a police report after they came home to find their villa ransacked and the safe stolen. Investigators were able to track the perpetrators, 3 men and a woman. They used a rented car as their getaway vehicle. Police were also able to locate the safe that had been emptied of its content and thrown in a desert area in neighboring Emirates. Investigation revealed that the gang arrived in the UAE on visit visas and then left the country after carrying out the theft. However, 2 of the gang members returned and were arrested in a desert area. 2 remain at large. Police seized from the arrested gang members suitcases that contained the stolen gold jewelry. The jewelry was cut in pieces and hidden in compartments in the suitcases. During interrogation, the duo admitted to carrying out the theft at the villa. They are now facing criminal charges.